Hello friends, this presentation is about BIM, that is Building Information Modeling. In this presentation, we will talk about BIM definition, its process and its importance. So now, let's start. What is BIM? Building Information Modeling is a process that begins with the creation of an intelligent 3D model and enables document management, coordination, and simulation during the entire life cycle of a project. Life cycle of a project includes planning, designing, building, operation, and maintenance. What is BIM used for? BIM is used for to design and document building and infrastructure designs. Every details of a building is modeled in BIM. The model can be used for analysis to explore design options and to create visualization that help stakeholders understand what the building will look like before it's built. The model is then used to generate the design documentation for construction. What is the process of BIM? The process of BIM supports the creation of intelligent data that can be used throughout the life cycle of a building or infrastructure project. Life cycle of a project includes planning, designing, building, operating. Planning. A plan informs project planning by combining reality capture and real-world data to generate context models of the existing built and natural environment. Designing. During this phase, conceptual design, analysis, detailing, and documentation are performed. The pre-construction process begins using BIM data to inform scheduling and logistics. Building. During this phase, fabrication begins using BIM specifications. Project construction logistics are shared with trades and contractors to ensure optimum timing and efficiency. Operating. BIM data carries over to operations and maintenance of finished assets. BIM data can used down the road for cost-effective renovation or efficient deconstruction too. Why is BIM important? According to the UN, by 2050, the world's population will be 9.7 billion. The global AEC industry must look to a smarter, more efficient ways to design and build, not just as a means to keep up with global demand, but to help in creating spaces that are smarter and more resilient too. BIM not only allows design and construction teams to work more efficiently, but it allows them to capture the data they create during the process to benefit operations and maintenance activities. This is why BIM mandates are increasing across the globe. Thank you.